Hi, welcome to my kitchen. I'm bringing another of my favorite recipes made by my mom. It is called Savory multigrain flatbread. This is made out of WaterChestnut flour. So here we are taking 1.5 cups of WaterChestnut flour, tapioca, about half cup, and a big potato. And if you have small ones, then 2 of them. Then we are going to add cumin seeds, salt, sugar, and ground peanut powder, and of course coriander. And then mix it up with a little bit of water. Like make a good dough, which you can either roll out or just flatten it with your hands. So my mom is going to show us how to flatten it. So she's explaining all of this in Marathi right now, but here she's explaining what is water chestnut and how they make the flour. I have tried both and they taste amazing, and that is a very healthy option to have. There are 2 recipes actually she's mentioning here. We are going to make only one today, and you can get this Singoda flour or water chestnut flour in any Indian grocery store. So as you can see, we have cumin seeds that we're going to use, then peanut powder, and this is a very basic unplanned recipe. Actually, we just decided very spontaneously that we're going to do this, and I didn't want to miss this opportunity to record this incredible savory dish. Alright, so we already have one rolled out and it's on the pan, as you can see, and this is how the dough should be looking when you mix it all together. So we have a plastic sheet here, and we're just going to apply a little bit of ghee so that it will be easy to flatten and also pull it off when it's time to put it on the frying pan. I like how gently she is flattening it out. There. So let's see how the other side has come out. Oh, just perfect. So this is it. So you can make another one, or you can make your own style. Please share it with me. I would love to try it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be bringing out many more recipes. Until then, enjoy.